What's up, guys? I'm doing an oil change here on the Lightning. I'm about to try this stuff out here. It has a little oil leak, nothing major, but I was told that this should help it work out a little bit. Probably stop whatever little leak it has on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this put in there. So let's go ahead and try this Lucas engine oil leak. Now the only thing is that on the truck here, it's got a aftermarket valve covers. It's got the oil filter back here, a little filter. I'm gonna have to get a funnel here. Make sure this funnel's clean. I just cleaned it a little while ago, a couple times. Should be good. Let's go ahead and get this oil filter cap off. It wasn't too hard to get that off, so let's go ahead and put this here aside. Let's go ahead and get this in there. Gotta make sure it fits in there right and snug. Make sure it doesn't leak any. Don't want to make it any mess here. All right, so we've got that. All right, so let's go ahead and get this prepared. Honestly, that little thing, I have to still cut it, so it won't take too long. I got a funnel I'm using anyway, so it'll be alright. As you can tell, this thing is super thick. Crazy. Take forever to go down on the top, but it's gonna be many stories. This is insane. Kind of afraid putting this in here now. I'm kind of worried now. What the heck did I get myself into? Alright, so finally, looks like all that stuff went down. Gotta go ahead and start pouring the actual engine oil now. I've got the oil here. Motorcraft synthetic blend here. Good. Alright, so it looks like we're good. We're good with that now. I'll still pouring a little bit, whatever's left over, but give it another minute. If that. Jesus Christ, this engine is filthy. It's pretty dirty. Well, there you have it. Ready to go. Just gotta check the oil, make sure everything's good, make sure it's not leaking anywhere. Actually, I gotta get down there and check right now, real quick. Just make sure. Are there any leaks that I can see? Well, there you have it, guys. Just got this oil change done on this truck here. It's been sitting here for a little while, so had to make sure to get this oil change done. I had a little leak that I noticed, so before I take it to the shop, get any other stuff done to it, we'll see if it's anything worse. So figured I'd try that Lucas fluid here. Apparently recommended by several people, but I guess we'll see how it works. Alright, so everything's good to go. Let's go ahead and get this oil filter cap back on there. Let's see if I can shimmy this thing in there. I wonder if there's like a catch can that I can put on there in that cap right there. There's some type of catch can for that, for the actual valve cover. If anybody knows, post up below if you guys know of any catch can oil filter covers for the valve covers there. What's going on? A little grace in here. Where's your car at? Where's your car? Where's your car? Where's your car? Your race car? Yeah. set. Oh, I heard that. Okay. Got it. What about your truck? Where's your truck at? Where's your truck? Your race truck. Alright guys, well, there he goes. Doing a little work here on the truck. It's been a minute, but I'll get back in the shop for some other stuff here. Alright, let's go ahead and try this out. I haven't just changed the oil. Let's see. The belt is whining a little bit here. What's up, Batman? What's up, Batman? Got the car seat booster here for my co-pilot, Grayson. Alright guys, well, here is another day working on the Lightning here with the one and only Grayson. Say what's up.
What's up? Or like and subscribe.